All right, today is a special day because I just hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. That's unbelievable. Thank you to my first 1,000 subscribers on my channel. You know, my wife and my daughter gave me a GoPro a few years ago, and I started filming a lot of my hobbies like kayak fishing. Kayak fishing was actually the first hobby that I was filming on it. And then I started making a couple of videos on mountain biking, snowboarding, and other things as well. Then I started doing a lot of how-to videos, like how to light a fire, how to mow your lawn, how to cook on the Weber grill. And it's just been a lot of fun. I've been trying to put up a lot of fun videos on my channel, and I really appreciate all the people who've been watching, all the people who've been clicking like, commenting, and especially those who have subscribed, my first 1,000 subscribers. You know, it was a real surprise to me because I had a lot of the hobbies that I love. I thought that kayak fishing would be my main videos where I get a lot of my views, but my most popular video, believe it or not, is me pushing a push wheel lawnmower on my lawn and explaining the benefits of using a push wheel lawnmower and organic lawn care. So you never know what people like, but I really appreciate all the views. If you are a subscriber, please comment here. Let me know what you've liked about my channel. Let me know what you'd like to see. I've got a lot of videos, like action videos, like kayak fishing, surfing, mountain biking, and snowboarding. And then my how-to videos are pretty fun too. Like organic lawn care is one of my favorite hobbies. I try to treat mowing the lawn like it's a fun hobby to take advantage of. And I've also got a lot of how-to videos about cooking on the Weber grill, and things like that. So anyways, thanks a lot for my first 1,000 subscribers. Thanks.